230 SL from 1966. These are really cool cars. They were actually made from 1963 all the way to 1971. They made about 50,000 cars, and about 25,000 or 28,000, something like that, come to the US. And this car is mine. Today we're going to do an oil change and get a quick walk around of the car and let you guys have a look at it. Haven't done much to it yet. Just new tires, powder coated the wheels silver, and I've repaired the shifter, restored that because the bushings came apart. It's in pretty good shape. Definitely not perfect, but not too bad. So far I have it jacked up, and I've removed the front wheels because one of the tasks is going to be changing these shocks. You can see I have one out here and one beside the new one. There's no rebound whatsoever in these old ones, and these new Bilstein OEM shocks should be a lot better ride. Also have the parts for the oil change laid out. Have filter in the gasket, new plug, crush washer, and the tool that goes with that, obviously the oil. First thing you want to do is take the 14 mil Allen key, crack the drain plug. This one was quite a bit looser than I think it should be. I don't know if that's the source of the oil leak I was seeing. I got a small oil leak that I'm not sure where it's coming from. Oil looks pretty dirty. While we're waiting for the oil to drain out of the drain pan, I'll give you guys a look at the top side of the engine. It's relatively clean. Some rust in the radiator, but it works fine. I might have it re-cored and powder coated and whatnot, but for now it's working. There's the mechanical fuel pump right there. I've changed plugs and wires as well, but nothing underneath the distributor cap yet. Got a beautiful interior in this car. We'll go through that here in a bit. Right. With that oil pretty well drained out of there, I'm gonna put in the new drain plug and copper crush washer. Every day I work on this car, gets more and more shiny pieces on it. I like it. Click, click. All right. Now that we've filled that, or closed that up, I don't exactly have the correct tool. Oh, I wonder if I should take that off first. Probably should let the oil drain out of there and then take the canister off. Let's take this off. Oh, that's how you take the filter housing off. I didn't know that. Oh, shit. Oh, that wasn't too bad. Actually, all the rest of the stuff here is there's a rubber seal right there. That looks like a shape, and I don't think that one's included in it. Just filters. So we take out this old O-ring. Clean out that ridge really good. I thought maybe that this O-ring went on there. I don't think it does. I want to go too tight and crush the washer on it, crush the rubber seal. A bit more. I'll leave it at that. So I mistakenly thought that this car had an oil cooler, but I don't think that's the case. So, moving on, we fill it up with oil. Clean funnel. I'm going to put in 5 liters of 20W50, and I'm going to let it sit overnight, see if I got any oil leaks anywhere, and in the morning I'll put in another half a quart to 1 quart, depending on what the dipstick says. Let's just start with this for now. Really love these old Mercedes. So much looking cars. And for a straight 6, they sound pretty good too. Right, that's 5 quarts of oil in. 5 liters, roughly. Things that I've done so far has been rebuild this shifter. The bushings had all worn out and it had fallen apart, but I took it off and polished it all up, re-lettered the gears, put a new insert in here. I'm still waiting for a new ball, but it looks pretty nice, works great. Guys, if you like to watch total amateur fumble his way through simple mechanical tasks with an old Mercedes, please give this channel a like and subscribe and follow along.